guys, welcome back to my channel AnanyaStyleCorner. In today's video, I will share an egg hair mask which will help you to get rid of dry and frizzy hair. So, let's start the video. The ingredients are 1 whole egg yolk, 3.5 spoon of curd and 1 spoon of coconut oil. First, add curd, and 1 spoon of oil, and mix it well. After mixing it well, apply it all over your hair. Make sure that your hair is already oiled. Leave it for 1 hour. If you don't have enough time, you can leave it for half an hour. After 1 hour, wash it off with normal shampoo. This hair mask makes your hair smooth and manageable. It also helps to reduce the dryness in your hair and provides nourishment. If you don't want to use egg, you can use fenugreek seeds paste. Thank you for watching my video guys. Hope you like it. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.